Today I will show you how to build a fully functional app with all the design and code ready using Base 44 with no coding experience necessary at all. As you can see, I've made multiple apps using this website. The URL is on the screen. I have little to no coding experience. So the way that works is that you enter in a prompt and it basically takes that prompt for the app and then generates all the code and all the design and all the formatting for you using AI. So let's say I want to make a guided meditation app. I could type in build me a guided meditation app, and it would do so. However, if you want to enhance a prompt and get a better app, I recommend going over to ChatGPT and say, using this, make me a prompt I can paste into Base 44, and then describe what Base 44 is: an AI app maker for a guided meditation app, or whatever app you want to create, or a game or a chatbot, whatever you want to make using Base 44, and then say be specific and give instructions to enhance the app. And then ChatGPT will make me a fully functional prompt that I can paste into Base 44. It is describing, I don't understand any of this, but you don't need to. So you can just take this, paste it into the Base 44 prompt box, and then it'll take a few minutes and it'll generate the app. Okay, it's been roughly 7 to 10 minutes, and now the app is fully done. It is called Serene. Here is the home page. So it looks like you can select your current mood, and then it gives you a recommended meditation, and then you can do the meditation and then follow along with it. But it's recommended for your mood, which is really interesting. Here is a library of all the meditations that they have, and you can sort them by type and duration. And then they have a breathing exercises, and then they have a progress tracker where you can track your meditation. They have different achievements. And then they have a journal page where you can journal and write about, I guess, your meditation. And all this stuff is things that the AI asked it to do, which is really interesting that I was able to follow that along. So yeah, that's basically what the app would look like. Now I'm going to show you the dashboard page. This is what the app would look like, and this is basically all of the settings behind your app that you can edit and change. So you can see all the users on your app. Obviously I only have one because I'm the one who's been on this app so far. You can see analytics of your app, and then this is the domain page. So right now the app is through Base 44. So if I had to go to the website, it'll be through Base 44, as you can see at the end there. But it's still your website, just through Base 44. But if you want it to be your own personal website, either the one you already own or you want to make a new one, you can say buy domain, and then through Ionis, you can check to see if the domain that you want is available. So let's say I want to do www.serene.com, and I could check to see if it's available. If it is, then I can buy it, and then basically it'll just be the website through that domain, or I can connect a domain that I already own. And then if after I do that, if it's a personal domain, then you can include Stripe and PayPal and different payment methods and earn money from the app. Here's the security page, where if you're gonna connect your own domain, I recommend doing a security check. Here's the code page. We can see basically all the code behind every different element of your app. I wouldn't recommend changing any of it because I don't really understand it. Here's a new beta feature they have called Agents. I wouldn't really worry about that. And then you can see every input that happened on your app. And here's the API page. But that's basically it. Using this website, Base 44, you can generate any app that you want to with your imagination. Fully AI, no coding experience necessary.